Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your account on the AFK Journey game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your PC, and once you open it up, after logging in using your email address and your password or verification code, you will be asked to tap in order to begin your journey. Now from this screen, before beginning your journey, you can tap on the account button at the top right corner, which will show you all of your account settings. Now within this page, just tap on Switch Accounts at the bottom section. This will now take you into the login page where you can use your other account in order to log in. If you would like to log in using a verification code, you can directly enter your email address by choosing verification code login, and after entering your email, you can click on the Get Code button, which will then send a verification code to this email address through which you wish to log in. After checking in, just enter the verification code that you find within your inbox and then click on the Login Now button. You can also choose password login, and you can enter your email address within the given box, followed by your account password that you have set while creating your account within the password section. Finally, click on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions, and you can also click on Login Now in order to log in to this new account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Recover Password in order to reset your credentials. You may also click on the Google account button if you have linked your Google ID with this new account that you want to log into. After proceeding forward with your credentials or through your Google ID, you will be logged into this new account, and you will find this account information within the account page. After choosing the account that you wish to log in with, you can simply tap on the screen in order to begin your journey with this account that you have just switched into. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your accounts within the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.